birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Maya! Happy birthday!
And Mayeta.
Happy birthday, Ate Maya! Birthday, Mother! Ha! Happy birthday!
Birthday, Mama.
Mama, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Tita Ayet. Happy birthday, Tita Ayet. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Ayet.
Happy birthday, Dongo. Love you.
Inay, I will give a dinosaur cake, and everybody will like it.
Okay.
Mama, I will do it.
1 minute na. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, na!
Happy birthday, Inay! Inay!
Happy birthday, Mama. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Inay Akiko.
To you. Happy birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akiko. I love you.
Happy birthday, Inay Akiko. I love you.
Happy birthday, Inay.
Birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday, Sis Inay Akiko.
Or shout out from Cebu. Hello admin, sis Akiko ko. Inay, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay guapa. I love you. God bless. Yun lang. Bye.
Hi, Sisi Akiko. Happy birthday, Sisi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Akiko.
Happy birthday, be. May your birthday be as incredible as you are. God bless you.
Hi Bakla, aka Akiko. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and more food to come. Blessings to come. Happy birthday Bakla. I hope you have a good day today. Yeah, enjoy. Happy birthday.
Hi sis, today is all about you. I wish and hope that your birthday filled with love, laughter, and happiness. Again, happy birthday sis!
Hi, Mayet. Happy birthday sa atin. God bless and sana happiness lang and more blessings. Love you. Mayet, wishing you best happy birthday ever, and I'm wishing you the health and good blessings for the year. Happy birthday. We love you. Happy Mayet. Happy birthday to you. Saranghe. Wishing you happy birthday. Happy Mayet. Happy birthday. God bless and more birthday to come. Mwah!
Ganun pa. Ano ba sabi? To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Maya. Love you.
Akiko, happy birthday to you. Ayan, greetings coming from Tia Amigo. But, may sabihin ako, gusto ko lang sabihin at ang wish ko sa'yo ay makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay at isa pa ay yung makapagtapos yung mga anak mo, at gusto ko din nabigyan ka ni Lord ng good health. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. At Inay Akiko ko, I always here, hindi man ako masyadong active na, but nandito lang ako. Just message me if I have a time. I will meet you. And God bless, Inay Akiko. Mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. And yun lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Yun. Thank you for all your sacrifices na ginawa mo sa amin. And thank you dahil binibigyan mo pa rin akong allowance. Hehe. Yun. Sana ano lang stay healthy ka lang dyan. And hayaan mo, makakaraos din tayo. I love you. Mwah.
Hey Mama, I wish that you have the best birthday and mag-ingat ka dyan sa Singapore. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Tita Ed. I hope you always keep your smile every day and always be positive and happy in life.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Dongo. Kapit tayo, magsalita ng magsalita. Andito yung mga alphabets, no? Mag-ano tayo ng description, may kulay din para meron tayong magbubunot tayo ng mga letra and then find a word that represent that, na describes Akiko ko. Okay? Kaya ba yun? At andito para walang dayaan, no? Hindi tayo titingin sa bubunutin natin. And here we go. Ang unang letra is letter B. Parang baliktad yata. Ang B stands for beautiful. No? Akiko ko is beautiful in and out. Kung kilala nyo siya as pagiging nanay sa team Lovebirds, sa mga kaibigan na nakakilala along the way, siya po ay mabuti ang kalooban. So she's beautiful in and out. Kung nakilala siya in person sa maraming bagay, that's the real her. At actually nagagalit ako sa mga taong di take advantage of that, kasi she's that person na she would give time sa mga tao na kailangan sa kanya, and sometimes siya yung nagsasuffer kasi hindi siya nakakain on time, nakakatulog on time. And I think as her other half, I put that as my responsibility na to remind her na importante rin siya. Sarili din muna niya, pero kapag may nag-PM, tumawag, she would give her time kasi ganun siya na ayaw niyang someone is feeling alone, lost, or kung ano man, kasi nangailangan sila ng kausap, pero siya gagawin niya yan to mag-ano sa mga taong nangailangan sa kanya. And ang next nating letra, bunot tayo. R stands for ano ba? Right? Laging tama. on that note, laging tama. She's actually always right. Kung ano lang, kinokontra ko lang kasi para lang may masabi ako na tama rin ako. Pero just for the sake of argument, no? She's actually right sa maraming bagay na you have to be looking past yung hindi sa not for judging people, pero tignan mo yon sa kung saan nagmumula yung taong yon, ganon siya. So she's right kasi wag mo dapat inaano yung tao kapag mayroon siyang moment na pero sa kanya kailangan mong intindihin na ganito na ganyan, na kunwari sa team na lang, no, makapag-support ka man o hindi, team lovebirds ka pa rin, which is maraming nagko-complain kasi yung iba support pero hindi nakakakuha ng support, but sa kanya marami kasing pinaghugutan yung mga taong yan. May mga sila na, of course they're working, of course their family comes first, of course ganito ganyan. So but you can't really hear anything negative from Akiko because she's Akiko, and sa kanya you have to be considerate, no? Kailangan mo consider yung mga taong yan. So she is right and she's always be right. Next letter, Q. Q stands for Queen. Q stands for quiet. So she's a quiet queen. She is Queen of Hearts, di ba? Queen of Hearts. Na sa puso niya, sinasa puso niya yung mga kabutihan, diba yung mga nandyan sa mga beauty pageant na kapag nanalo ka ng Miss Universe, you're queen of this, queen of that, may mga responsibility siya, may responsibility mga yan, pero para sa kanya, she is the queen at sinasa niya yon. According to her, being the queen, you have to be a role model. Being the ina ng Team Lovebirds, you have to be doing this, doing that. At bilang bilang kanyang bilang ako yung king, or sana kung kasama ko kayo. Happy birthday Dongo. Wish you're here someday, somehow, with you and the kids. And I'm thankful kasi hindi man kita hiningi, dumating ka, diba? At the right time. Yeah. Happy birthday Dongo. Love you.